Do you want to make money in the comfort of your own home, at your own pace, and with a very easy method? Then this video is for you. Today I'm going to teach you how to make money by clicking your mouse. Before you laugh, no, this is not a joke. You can actually start earning money by just clicking your mouse. What's great is that this method is absolutely free and can be done worldwide in any part of the globe. So if you're looking to earn some extra cash, tune in to find out. Hi guys, this is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'll be showing you another side hustle that you can work on to earn some cash. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Isn't the internet amazing? Every day there are new ways to earn money. New strategies that you can use to earn a passive income stream in your spare time. Today I'm going to show you a new side hustle that you can do to start earning money in your spare time. And the hint is, it involves a lot of clicking. But before we get into that, we have to check first if you have all the necessary things available to start utilizing this strategy. First off, you'll need a laptop or computer, tablet or smartphone. Next, you'll need a strong and stable internet connection. Then you just need to know how to click. If you have all three of these, then great. You can definitely use this strategy I'm going to teach you today. Now let's get started. Now what's great about this strategy is that it's available worldwide. And no, it is not an affiliate program. People do not have to sign up for anything. You literally just have to click to earn. It can be a great passive income stream that you can use anytime, anywhere. Now here's what we're going to do. As a lot of you know, most, if not all people, use Google as their default browser. This time though, what I want you to do is to use entireweb.com. EntireWeb is also a free search engine like Google. The main difference is that EntireWeb pays people per click. Awesome, right? Who knew people could get paid by just clicking? To be specific, EntireWeb pays its users 20 cents per click, or equivalent to $4 for 20 clicks. The reason why EntireWeb pays its users is that they are a massive competitor of Google. Obviously, people use Google more. And so EntireWeb is trying to attract more users by paying them per click. Since both search engines are free, people would rather use the one that pays them. It'd be great for you guys to jump into this as soon as possible and also to utilize this second app I'm about to show you. Now what I want you to do is to go to entireweb.com and click on the menu button at the top right of the screen. Once you click on that, you'll see a variety of different options like home, services, free submission, etc. You'll only need to focus on one section that will make you a lot of money: affiliate. Go ahead and click on it. There's no need to worry though because you don't have to sell anything. In fact, what's going to happen is that you'll get paid 20 cents per click. What you're going to have to do is to get other people to use EntireWeb instead of Google, and if they start using the search engine with your link, you'll earn 20 cents per click that you get. That is amazing. Now a lot of people use Google, 3 billion people to be precise. So there's a lot of potential here with EntireWeb, even if you only invite, let's say, 100 people to use it. That's still a great option for a passive income. As you can see on their page, they'll pay you for all clicks that you generate. You can even earn 20 cents per visitor. Here's what's really cool. You have a high conversion rate since all you have to do is to get other people to surf the web with this browser. Anyone can join from anywhere in the world, so there's no limit on who you can invite to use this browser. Bonus, it's really easy to start. You'll literally be all set just minutes after you sign up. You'll be up and running and start to earn money from your traffic in no time. If you scroll down the page, you'll find out exactly how it works, how the dashboard looks like, and how you can withdraw your money. What's great is how convenient everything is. They even pay their users through PayPal. Now, the minimum payout value is $50, which may seem a lot, but take into account how easy it is to earn that amount with this search engine. Soon you'll be able to withdraw this amount. So what I want you to do next is to scroll up back to the top of the page and click Create Account. Once you do that, just fill up the necessary information on the affiliate sign-up page. So go on ahead and type your name and choose your tracking ID. For this, you can just type some words or phrases that you like. For example, if you like the movie Finding Nemo, then you can make your ID something like Nemo or Finding Nemo. This is a funny example, I know, but you guys get the point. Then after this, you guys can just go on ahead and type your email. After this, you'll need to fill up some more additional information about yourself. Then just fill out the needed information for your payout methods. What's great about this is how convenient everything is. PayPal isn't just the only payout method available. You can also choose other methods. If you do choose PayPal, just put your PayPal email address and they'll pay you through this. Finally, you'll have to read their terms and conditions, and that's it. The registration process should take only a few seconds to a minute, and you're good to go. This is what your dashboard should look like when you log into your account. Here you can see all of your campaigns. When you click on the home button on the left side, you'll have the ability to track your clicks. Here you can also track the amount of money you've earned. As soon as you've reached the payout threshold, you can click on the My Profile on the left side of the screen and request a withdrawal. To start earning money per click, just get your affiliate link on the top of the screen. This is your own unique link which you'll copy. Whenever someone clicks on your link, you'll get paid 20 cents per click. The concept is that you refer people to use entireweb.com through your affiliate link, and then they'll search the web like normal. You'll earn money just from doing this. You can share your link through your social media platforms or even with friends and family. That'll get you the clicks that you need. However, if you want to set this up in complete autopilot where you'll have the potential to reach millions of clicks, here's how to do it. The first thing I need you to do is to go to Google Docs and open a blank document. Then you can write something like a CTA or a call to action, then paste your affiliate link that'll take people to the browser. Basically, what I want you guys to do is to get creative with this. You can write your own script or article or whatever might get people to click on your link and use the browser. Once you're done, click on the File button on the top left side of the document and download it as a PDF. Next, what I want you to do is to go to Slideshare.net, a popular website that gets millions of visitors every month from all over the globe. The best part is that using this website is absolutely free and you can share your article or document on this site for free. Here, what I want you to do is to share the PDF file with your affiliate link. In this way, you'll have more potential to get millions of views from the people who visit this website. All you have to do is to click on the Sign Up button up on the screen and create your account. This is all relatively easy and will take only a few seconds to a minute. Once you're done signing up, just click on the Upload button on the top of the screen and select the PDF document that you made. Make a catchy title, for example, Better Than Google or something like that. Put a brief description and take note that you can also put your affiliate link in the description part. In this way, you'll have a higher chance of getting clicks. More clicks equal more money. Next, just choose the category from the list. Don't forget to select the privacy to public so that everyone can view it. Then just go ahead and put tags on the post. The more tags you put, the more people you attract. After you're done with all of this, just click Publish. That's it. Now you have the potential to reach a lot of people and get more clicks. You can earn $20 per 100 clicks and $200 per 1,000 clicks. You can even make $1,000 with 5,000 clicks. This is entirely passive income that you can earn for absolutely free, anytime, anywhere. This is all attainable since all people need to do is to click on your link and use the search engine. And that's it, you guys. That's how you can make some extra dollars using this strategy. As always, our channel is dedicated to producing fresh content to help you live the life you want through side hustles. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you like the video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you soon.